a public place arrest. A YouTuber with millions of subscribers. A felony tax warrant. The constitutional analysis is deceptively layered.
Maybe disorder. I don't need the metro number for an agency assist, do I? Because I'm not taking out charges.
You don't need a what?
Metro number.
No.
Because there's no charges or anything.
You don't have to fill out the arrest report or anything?
No. Which I've got Nashville County.
Did you fill it out already?
No, it's in the car. So I just got to get the paperwork from the ACC.
I do have to ask you the same questions again. I know my time is not this call. So outside of these bags, is there anything else? This is all your friends. Alright. And are you carrying anything for anyone else except you and maybe your boyfriend? Does anyone ask you to carry things for them or help you pack this bag? Okay. And then what did you do overseas?
I was just touring Dubai. I was studying
And how long were you outside the U.S. for? And where do you live now? Do you have like multiple residences?
No, I just have one place in America. It's
Okay, on the
yeah, college.
like I said, around here. Then. All right. Outside of that, just so you are aware, there is a warrant for your non-traffic warrant. So that's why we have we make these tickets going on. Outside of that, for customs related purposes, you're all good to go. They'll let you know what else they can do for you.
Alright, and that's exactly let you know.
That's going to be dependent on being a police.
And just tell my friend so that he knows where I'm at.
Yeah. Did you travel, or is there anybody else here?
That's my girlfriend.
Okay.
Yeah.
So our first question, because the jail won't take all of that.
Yeah, so my assistant is here waiting
Okay.
to help get this.
Okay.
So-
Would
Would your girlfriend be able to?
would she be able to
She
cook
can,
everything?
I mean, it'd be nice if I can, like, maybe some random person could help her. It's just, it'd be 2
I'm sure
trips.
somebody probably will, but
Yeah, it'd be 2 trips.
I won't be able to let you help. That's it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Can I message my assistant to let him know?
Yeah, we'll go ahead and do that. Let you do that real quick. And then anything that you need to go with you, I'm assuming just your wallet and your phone. Is there anything else?
You got his passport.
There's my wallet, phone. Yeah, my passport too.
Just tell them to meet them at the information center, right outside customs.
Sorry?
Just tell them to meet them at the information center,
My girlfriend? Okay, sweet.
and wherever you're.
Okay.
What the warrant's for?
Tax evasion.
Yeah. It's out of Rutherford County. I'm Officer Cash, by the way. This is my supervisor, Sergeant
That's
Estes.
cool. We figured.
We just got a call from Rutherford County, and
You're good. We expected it.
No,
It's all right.
gotcha.
I just want to make sure she's okay. So
Yeah.
I have my assistant waiting to help her, so however we can get the bags.
I will take care of it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
we'll get you squared away. And if you want, like your jewelry, that sort of stuff, because the jail will have to take it off of you.
Take it off here.
If you want to leave it, that's completely up to you. If you want to leave it with your belongings to go with your girlfriend,
Cool. Thank you so much.
that's completely up to you. But they will take it off of you at the jail, so I don't want it to end up lost or anything.
No worries. All right. Just making sure they have her contact info. All right, I'm heading out right now. I just want to make sure for David that Bella's taken care of. So she has her bags, and then I think someone's gonna help carry my bags up, and you can load them up. And
They
then
said
just
they
make sure
can't
that she
send it
gets
until it's
the
technically
blue room upstairs in the
10:15,
house.
so unless we call it, or 10:15.
And then, all right, is there a way I can just tell her the situation?
Yeah, go ahead.
Just go grab her.
Okay, yeah, sweet. That'd be great. That'd be great.
Under United States versus Watson, 423 U.S. 411, decided in 1976, warrantless arrests in a public place are constitutional whenever officers possess probable cause. Here, officers had something stronger. They held a judicial warrant out of Rutherford County, Tennessee. A warrant is a magistrate's pre-recorded probable cause finding. It collapses the entire seizure analysis into a single document. The airport setting matters. Peyton versus New York, 445 U.S. 573, drew the constitutional line at the threshold of a home. An international arrival zone is the opposite of a home. It is one of the most surveilled, jurisdictionally complex public spaces in America. No warrant execution challenge survives in this setting. The Fourth Amendment question is closed at the moment of contact. The underlying charge is governed by Tennessee Code Section 67-6-202 and Section 67-1-1440, felony tax evasion. The theory rests on whether registering high-value vehicles through a Montana limited liability company constitutes lawful structuring or unlawful evasion. Tennessee Section 67-6-2-10 governs use tax on out-of-state purchases consumed in-state. That is the Montana loophole's pressure point.
I want to make this process as easy as possible for you. How was your trip?
Great.
Going for a long time? About a month, wasn't it?
Yeah. All right, I'll see you in a few hours.
Yeah, go ahead. Y'all are good. So the warrant's out of Rutherford County. I've got to take you to Davidson, put the hold, Rutherford then comes pick you up and takes you back to Rutherford.
He's gonna help you, okay? I'll get somebody to help you. And then David should message you, but he's out front waiting for you, okay? Okay. 2 seconds.
You're good.
All right.
Taxi?
Good.
Good.
Like,
Take the jacket off, or I'll leave it on. Yeah, I'll leave it on.
It's completely up to you. Do you want to go ahead and take your jewelry and everything off, or do you want to leave it with you?
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
Well, I mean, I'll put it in this duffel, because otherwise it's going to be loose.
Yeah. Is he good to go ahead and put his stuff in there?
And my passport.
That's up to you. The wallet we'll take with us.
Okay.
Says unless the phone and wallet, if there's anything else. Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Necklace.
Would one of you be able to help with that? I can't get that.
How does it
on
come
there. I
off?
mean, it's just this little clasp right here.
I'll give it a shot.
Sorry.
You're good. I know those little things are tough to do with one hand.
Cool. All right, cool.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, those little clasps are pain in the butt.
All right, brother.
The audio track during booking deserves close attention. The questions sound like small talk. They are not. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, custodial interrogation requires warnings before any subject matter questioning. The Supreme Court created a narrow exception in Pennsylvania versus Muniz, 496 U.S. 582, for routine booking questions. Name, address, biographical data. That is the full scope of the exception. It does not extend to investigative inquiry. Rhode Island versus Innis, 446 U.S. 291, defines interrogation broadly. Any words reasonably likely to elicit incrimination qualify, but the doctrine that protects this subject is stronger than Miranda. It comes from a case decided 2 years before Miranda was written. Massiah versus United States, 377 U.S. 201, decided in 1964. Once formal charges are filed, the Sixth Amendment attaches. The government may not deliberately elicit statements about the charged offense without counsel present. No Miranda waiver substitutes for this protection. The subject was already indicted in Williamson County in November 2025. Every charge-adjacent question on this footage triggers Massiah analysis. Notice the officer's restraint. The heavier questions stop. Conversation pivots to logistics. That pivot is the professional move.
So we're going to do these zip cuffs.
Okay.
If you want to go ahead and turn around for me. Put your hands together like you're praying. Slide this over. pull the sleeves of your jacket up, okay? Appreciate you being cool and cooperative with us. No, it's not how you want your return trip to go. But
No, we planned it. We knew it was going to happen.
okay.
Yeah.
So that's not too tight. I can get fingers in there. What do y'all need from him? Or is he all good? Y'all are going to get his bags and everything taken care of?
Yeah,
Okay.
please, thank you.
They'll get you taken care of.
Make sure she gets to my assistant who's waiting out front.
Yeah.
Thank you. He's at baggage claim.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Do
Well,
they know each other?
They have each other's contact and they're messaging each other, so
What, she knows what he looks like. She knows what
he knows what she looks like. Yeah, it should connect.
Okay.
Yeah, it should connect.
Well, we're going to go this way. My car's this direction.
Belle, I'll see you soon, okay? Oh, no internet? Can we get her paired to the Wi-Fi in here?
Once she is outside, she'll be able to connect. She'll pick it up. The signal here is
Belle,
not shoddy.
he's wearing a WhistlinDiesel hat, okay? All right, and he's looking for you. All right, they're gonna help you with bags. I'll see you soon.
Can't miss it. Address. You might not be going to Davidson County. You would call them and see what's going on.
You would call us to pull to TV somewhere.
Okay. Might be able to get you straight to Rutherford County and
Yeah, that'd be amazing.
speed that up a little bit for you. Be great if they're willing to swap at the county line or something. That would be great.
Is it possible to wear the hat?
What, are you worried about your hairline?
No, I just like wearing a hat. I feel naked without it.
I'll let you.
Thank you so much.
I know how it is with hats. Whenever I let mine grow out, I'm like, I gotta have a hat. We'll go around to the passenger side. I'll get you in. I'll buckle you up and everything.
Right.
And then we're gonna head out and meet with
right.
Rutherford County.
Cool.
Any questions or?
No, let's just keep track of all that.
It's in the front seat with me.
Thank you.
It ain't going nowhere. I promise. If you get uncomfortable with anything, you want me to turn the air up, down.
We're all good. Thank you so much.
97 at that address with Rutherford County, Indian mileage 47413. Whew, traffic was awful. I've got them in zip cuffs because I thought we were going to be taking them to Metro, and they just take way too long. So we usually just throw them in zip cuffs. I got shears to cut them whenever y'all throw y'all's on.
How's it going? 2 pairs.
The plastic ones will come off in just a sec. And I've got his phone and wallet in the front seat as well. And that's all he's got with him.
The cuffing technique is also worth examining. Disposable zip cuffs, applied in the praying hands position. Less concentrated pressure than metal cuffs. Faster jail intake. Lower exposure to excessive restraint claims under federal civil rights law. Section 1983 of Title 42 of the United States Code is where restraint complaints land. Officers who use less force absorb less liability. Property handling raises a separate doctrine. Illinois versus Lafayette, 462 U.S. 640, authorizes routine inventory at booking. The officer here offers a less restrictive alternative. Jewelry can leave with the girlfriend rather than enter inventory. Humane, but a chain of custody risk on closer cases. The grades. Officer Cash and the arresting team earn an A-. Identification by name, transparent procedure, low restrictive cuffing, clear handoff plan. Points lost only on charge-adjacent booking questions that touch Massiah territory. The subject earns an A, cooperative, no incriminating statements, professional conduct throughout. The lessons. For citizens, a public place arrest on a valid warrant has no constitutional defense. The defense lies in the underlying charge, not in the seizure. For officers, post-indictment subjects deserve only Muniz exception questions. Charge-adjacent inquiry creates suppression litigation that benefits no one. For the system, this case previews a much larger question. State sales tax reach over Montana LLC vehicle registrations is now a felony enforcement issue, not a civil one. Reasonable minds may disagree on whether the Montana LLC theory survives appellate review. The comments will reflect that. Do you agree with these grades? Share your reasoning below. Subscribe for more legal breakdowns of police body cam footage. And remember, every interaction is governed by law, even when no one raises their voice.